bathtub here and we're going to sample a little bit of our latest creation. It's a Dragon's Blood Mead. It's 11.4%. It's orange flavor, Dragon's Blood Mead. Why wouldn't it be? So I'll use the cork opener. How you doing? We'll pop that cork. Absolutely. Oh, I know what I forgot. We'll pop that cork. Now we'll have some bubbles. I'll pour the wife a glass. These are just little sample glasses. But we'll probably end up sampling the whole bottle. Why wouldn't we? How you doing? So here's my glass, my sample. There's the label on there. How you doing? Nice and clear mead. Beautiful mead. Beautiful, beautiful. I forgot the date, but she's good. She's good. So we'll sit back and enjoy. I'm going to put a movie on and Kraus. Enjoy the smell of chlorine. Beautiful, beautiful smell. Wow. That is absolutely delicious. Absolutely orange flavor. Dragon's Blood Mead. It came in at 11.25%. We back sweeten it with Monin orange. Oh, my camera's moving. Ah, the bubbles are making my camera move. How you doing? Either that or I'm getting a little messed up here. She's moving it too. Beautiful, beautiful mead. Right.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, correct. Okay, so Mario's really getting into it. He's now putting the ceiling, first coat of ceiling white. It's a flat white Dulux. What is it, Mario? Dulux? My experience is with doing ceilings, there's like 1,000 different ceiling whites on the market, and if you have to touch a blade, I'd use